Welcome. Buen, Tony. Let us walk through a tiny neural network that learns to predict pass or fail from study hours. Here is the full code, a simple Keras model with one hidden layer trained on 6 examples. We import NumPy for arrays, and from Keras we bring the sequential model and the dense layer. Our inputs are study hours from 1 to 6. Labels are 0 for fail and 1 for pass. The cutoff is around 3 hours. The architecture has one input, a hidden layer of 8 neurons with ReLU activation, and one output neuron with sigmoid. ReLU is the rectified linear unit. It returns x when x is positive and 0 otherwise. Simple, fast, and powerful. Sigmoid squashes any real number into the range 0 to 1, and it is sigma of x equals 1 over 1 plus e to the minus x stars. We compile the model with the Adam optimizer and binary cross-entropy loss, since this is a 2-class problem. Binary cross-entropy is the negative log likelihood. It punishes confident wrong predictions much more than uncertain ones. Adam keeps a running mean and variance of the gradient. It adapts the learning rate for each weight automatically. We fit the model for 100 epochs. Each epoch sees all 6 examples, computes the loss, and updates the weights. Now we predict for 2.5 hours and 7 hours. The model should output low probability for the first and high for the second. To recap, by video, data, model, compile, fit, predict, 5 steps from raw numbers to a working classifier. Thanks for watching. For more deep learning and machine learning content, follow at Black Mamba IMLAN on Instagram.